Hello everybody, this is Joe Workman, and today I would like to introduce you to the new QuickPix Instagram stack. This stack lets you really easily integrate your Instagram photos into your RapidWeaver website. You can have nice image galleries and also beautiful slideshows, so your users can also enjoy your Instagram photos. Now what's great with this stack is once you publish this page, all your photos will dynamically update on the website. So as you're out on your vacation or wherever taking pictures with Instagram, your RapidWeaver website will always have your most recent photos. That's pretty awesome. Let's jump on in and see really how easy it is to configure this awesome stack. When you add the QuickPix Instagram stack to your RapidWeaver page, you'll notice that it has a really nice preview of what the published page will look like. This is important because this stack will not work in preview mode. You have to publish this stack in order for it to function. Now let's jump through some of the settings. To set up your QuickPix stack, you have a few different queries. You can either have your recent photos, which is the photos that you've posted to Instagram, your photo feed, which is all of the photos from your followers and people that you follow on Instagram, and liked photos. These are all the photos that you have loved and you have liked on Instagram. Now, limit image defines how many images you want to display on your RapidWeaver page. Obviously, the more photos that you want to load, the longer the page load time is going to be. So anything between 20 to 40 pictures is going to load relatively quickly. Anything more than that, it may start slowing your web page down. But you can actually load up as many as you want, okay? We have 3 different size images available. So we have small, medium, and large images. Now chances are large, you're probably only going to be using for the slideshow feature, not for galleries. Okay. In theme, you'll notice that we have both gallery and slideshow settings. So, and you'll notice the different settings are opened up when you choose that particular theme. So for gallery, you have the ability to choose the gutter, which is the gap between each photo. And for the slideshow, you have the ability to change the effect. Do you want a fade effect? Do you want to slide left, right? What is the animation speed? Custom navigation arrows, so on and so forth. Now, the rest of the settings that we're going to use throughout the stack are actually universal for both the gallery and the slideshow themes. So for image styling, we can actually add a border around each image. So we could say that we want a white border and have it a particular number of pixels, maybe add a border radius to the image, okay? And then we can also add a drop shadow. And as you notice, that effect is applied live to each image in our gallery. Now for captions, we have many different options available for captioning. By default, it displays the caption that you've typed into Instagram as a tooltip. Now, if you also have our tip stack, you can actually display really nice styled tooltips, and QuickPix integrates nicely directly with the tip stack. However, if you don't want to use a tooltip, we have many different options available. You can display the caption on the bottom. You can display it by floating the caption in the center of the image. And you can also then float it at the bottom of the image as well. And you have full reign over what color do you want. So do you want it black, gray, or white? The opacity of that. The vertical alignment. So where do you want that potentially aligned within the image? Okay. Do you want to show a border on your caption? Do you want to animate that on hover? So do you want to only show that caption when you actually hover over the image, or do you want it static there all the time? Lastly, you can customize the text. So do you want the text to be aligned left? What's the color, the text shadow, and then the text size? So you have a lot of flexibility over these caption settings and styling. The last settings allow you to adjust and activate a lightbox so that when a smaller image is clicked on, that image will open up in a lightbox. You have the ability to change the overlay behind the image, the opacity of that, and then the border radius and close position for for the close button in the Lightbox. So as you see, these settings are really simple to use, very powerful, very easy to use. However, there's one last thing. How do we actually configure our Instagram account? As you'll notice, there was actually no way to configure what your Instagram account was. That's because we do this after you publish your web page. So when we visit our published web page, we'll notice a link here. Instead of the stack, we see a link that says, click this link to set up your Instagram authentication. And when we click on that link, it's actually going to redirect us to Instagram, where we need to log into our Instagram account and actually grant access to the Quick Pick stack. So let's go ahead and click authorize. And that's going to redirect us back to our web page, and we should instantly see our gallery. Now this setup is only a one-time thing, and you shouldn't have to do it again. So now you can sit back, have a beer, and enjoy your Quick Pick stack. I hope you enjoyed this, everybody. Have a great day. Bye-bye.